What's up, YouTube? This is Mike here at True Shine Cleaning. Happy New Year's to everybody. This is actually my first video on YouTube for the year, and I'm going to tie this video into another video later on once I get off work. And I'm here now at my second job. I got 2 more after this, and show you guys a little bit of the setup that I'm doing some furniture right now. So doing this 3-piece furniture set. They've already taken the cushions off of that and washed those, so I don't have to worry about the cushions. And so I just have this set. Oh, what's up? Oh, no, that was for me?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I ain't even need it no more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I ain't up going to the thing. Man, you can leave it out here though, unless I run out. But that's no problem. Is that hot or is it ready?
Like room temperature.
Okay, that's cool. I might just use that then. Cause over there it came out. It had a lot of stuff in it too when I was using it, so I had to rinse the bucket out a bunch of times.
Okay.
But other than that, I might just use it though. Okay. You can leave it there. Thank you.
All right, no problem.
So I got this piece. So now I'm about to get ready to vacuum everything out. As you can see. So as you can see, I got me a new attachment. This is one of the pieces of equipment that I just got this year, and I got 2 more pieces that came in this week. And I really been waiting on all the pieces of equipment to come in before I upload a video. So show you guys the equipment that came in once I get to the house. So I'll show you guys this cleaning right now, but I'm definitely going to add on to this video once I get home. So, and if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you. And one of the things I'm going to start doing in my videos is showing you guys why I clean the way I clean, and like showing you guys how to do it the best way that I get the best results out of. A lot of people clean things different ways, so that's going to be one of my things to focus on this year, is showing you guys how to clean. Like I say, everybody cleans differently, and some people's opinions may be different, but I get great results the way I clean. So this is why I vacuum. As you can see, it's a lot of loose debris. I mean, it's some little hair too, so, but it's a lot of debris on it, so that's why I vacuum. I'm going to continue to finish that. And another little neat thing about this vacuum, it has a small little attachment here that you can use to get into like the cracks and the crevices of couches. Just pull this piece off right here, and you hook your piece up to it. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys the after results. I didn't bring my tripod with me this time, so I can't really give you guys a full version of it. Let me see. See, it just goes into the cracks and crevices real easy. So if you guys ever concerned about the type of cleaning agent that you're using, if you ever worried that it may not be safe for your furniture, I recommend using that product full strength in an area that you can't really see, like an area right here on the side of the sofa that you can't really tell. Use it full strength before you dilute it, and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And if it doesn't damage the fabric, not really damage it, but I would say use like a terry cloth, a white terry cloth or a white microfiber towel. After the area has been sitting for probably about, I say 5 to 10 minutes, wipe that area with a towel, especially if you're cleaning a colored sofa like I'm cleaning now. And if that red transfers to the towel, that's a sign that the furniture will bleed. So I wouldn't use that type of product. But there's a lot of products out there that's made to clean furniture, fabrics, and only thing you really have to do is make sure you test the product out. Just make sure you test it out. And I recommend testing it full strength in an area that you can't really see, just in case it does damage it. So now keep in mind, I've been scrubbing and agitating upholstery with this brush and a brush similar to this for years. Still been getting great results. I think I just started using a drill brush probably like middle of last year, and I still go back to that brush as well, because sometimes I like the actual hand agitation over the mechanical brush. But as you can see, it goes faster. I mean, no, you don't need it. You don't need it to clean upholstery, but it definitely agitates the carpet. Agitates the fabric pretty quick. And if you got a pretty busy day, you want to get as much done as possible. Alright, you guys, I got that furniture, this set done. As you can see, everything came out great. I got this set done as well. So now I'm about to show you guys a little bit of how this tool works. I'm going to talk about this tool a little bit more in my video once I show you guys my other equipment that I have. I'll show you guys a little bit of what this does. Clean it going back and forth. So you guys, I saw the sapphire upholstery tool. And you can see, I'm going to focus up a little bit. You see those holes? That's where the water comes out. But it doesn't squirt out, it just stays right there. So as it comes out, it gets sucked right back in. So it's actually my second time using it on a job, but you know. see if you guys can see some of this dirty water that comes up. Well, these don't show that much, but that one had a lot of dirt on this cushion and that far cushion. But I guess these doesn't have that much dirt on them. But let me show you on this side. I'm just trying to give you guys a good video of the dirt coming through the clear head. There we go. Alright, you guys, I'm going to continue to do this, and I'll show you guys the after results when I'm done. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you. What's up, you guys? This is Mike here. So I'm going to show you guys the new machine that I got in. Also, the few pieces of equipment, the tools that I got in as well. So take you guys around. As you guys can see in the video, I do have a sapphire upholstery tool. So that's one of the pieces of equipment that I got in. So I'm going to take you guys around so you guys can see. Here goes the sapphire upholstery tool. It does have this slot. You can adjust the vacuum so it doesn't, like, say if you don't want the suction to be too hard, you can release some of the vacuum, or if you do want it to be hard, you can close it. It also has this button here where you can slide it back and forth if you want to keep the trigger. Let me see if I can hold it like this. So if you want to hold the trigger, you can slide it out like that. So now it will just continue to spray without you having to hold the trigger. I really like that function. So that's pretty much it. It does have a swivel handle. It's pretty light. I did put this piece on here. It's like a little rubber piece I picked up from Home Depot, and it's just easier for my other vacuum host to just slide into here and give it a nice snug fit, especially right now due to the cold weather outside. So I've tested it out. It definitely works great. So this is how it works. So as you can see, this end here slides into it. Or I can take this end off also and use it like this. And just use it straight. And just put it in there like that. Give it a nice little snug fit. And it still has pretty good suction, so I don't lose any vacuum. Here goes another piece I got. This is a towel cleaner. Hard floor surface cleaner, as you can see. So I haven't tested this one out yet, but I actually have some towel to clean this week. So I'm going to test it out. One thing I do like about it is it has 4 jets in the inside. So it does have 4 jets. So I'm looking to do more tiling, grout cleaning, hard surface cleaning more this year. You know, I usually do a lot of carpet and furniture, so this year I'm going to focus a lot on the hard floor surface cleaning. I've already had this before. This is not a new piece of equipment, but I was in here just testing this out. But it's a stair tool, as you can see. But I had this already, so here goes another piece that goes to that machine. I mean, that tool. Just a smaller version of it. It snaps on to the end of that. You can just take that end off, slide this one on, connect the water line. It's like a snap fitting. So yeah. So I'll take you guys to the new machine. So as you can see, I have the Prospector PE 500 with heat. And this is the first machine that I had. I will have that I had 2 vacuums, heat, and I can adjust the PSI here to it adjusts to 500. As you can see, it doesn't adjust all the way to 1,000. But I have been testing it out around the house, and I believe it's going to be a great fit for my business. So I got it earlier this week. I've been doing some little testing out. I was going to take this female fitting off and put a fitting like this on it, because I actually like fittings like this being on the machine, but I may just leave it like this. I had to take the female end off of this one just so I can put this male end on to fit in there. So, but other than that, I did put this on as well, this little rubber sleeve. Like I was saying at first, this is how this end looks. Behind this piece now, behind this piece here, it looks similar to this. But in the cold weather, the rubber doesn't stretch as well trying to slide it over these pieces. So, you know, it's just something that I came up with, and I tested it out. I still get great suction on it. So, but other than that, that's pretty much it. It is pretty heavy, so I'm going to get some ramps so when I'm taking it in and out of my van. But I'm going to do probably like a review video on it once I test it out in the field and really get to using it. I definitely like the heat that comes out of it. I haven't ran on as much. I only ran about 25 feet so far, whatever this hose is, and it was coming out consistent. The heat was coming out consistent. So I'm going to attach it to my van later on today and see how much feet can actually work with the heat, to see how long the heat actually runs. Because I heard a lot of different opinions on different portable machines with heat, and a lot of them say by the time the heat gets to the end of the wine, you know, they say by the time the heat gets to here, it's not hot anymore. So with the 25 feet that I ran, it stayed hot the whole time. So I'm going to add on about another 50 feet, so it'll be a total of 75 feet. That's how much hose I actually have. So I don't really run anything larger than that. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So this is a 2-circuit unit. So it did come with 2 extension cords like this. So to run this machine, you would have to plug up in 2 different outlets, not the same room. You need at least 230 volts to power this machine. So that's going to be different for me because I'm used to just using one room, one outlet only. So it's definitely going to be different. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it, you guys. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? And see you guys in the next one. Thank you.